What is that? That thing looks crazy. That's Hawkglow, yo. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do a video on these special LEDs that are probably at the next level. But first and foremost, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers for continuing to support the SUP lifestyle movement. And if you don't know what SUP stands for, it stands for straight up positivity. It's all about being positive and also being motivated in everything you do. So for this video, we're going to focus on something that I say every car needs. Now, one of the problems with the 10th gen Honda Civic, especially the low end models, they don't have LED headlights. They have the old school halogen, and many other cars also still have halogen lights. And the problem with that is it's hard to see at night.
It's not a tumor.
So in today's video, I am going to do an install and also a review with these low beam headlight bulbs. Anyways, but yes, LED, because I have a 10th gen Civic that I'm going to be using that has the halogen lights, and we're going to show the upgrade. And the special thing with these headlight bulbs is they're not the common one that you probably see almost anywhere, where it's just like a flat surface and then it has like these little LED dots on it. It's a little different. It has a 360 setup of the LED. So I collaborated with this company so I can inform you guys one of the best new LED light bulbs that are out there right now. Oh yeah, don't mind the gloves. I was on a canyon run not too long ago. So, I have these little grippies on here, right? So, when you're driving that Type R, shifting to third and second gear to fourth to fifth to this. No, okay, normally I don't go sixth gear on the canyons because that's going a little too fast. But, you got to have that grip on the steering wheel. You can check some of my old videos. Did some canyon runs. But yeah, check it out. But yeah, so I don't mind the gloves. That's why I have these on right now. So in collaboration with Hawkglow. Hawkglow is fairly a new company that started back in 2023, but they're coming up strong because their light bulbs are basically a little different from the common ones that you see out there. Like I said, the 360 LED style. That's one of their, with bread and butter, their thing that makes them stand out. So I'm going to install these bulbs into a 10th gen Honda Civic that currently has halogen. And we're going to do a little comparison, the before and after type of thing, to see how much of a difference this actually makes. But before we get into further detail on the Hawkglow light bulbs, check out their website at hawkglow.com and see all the different lights that they actually offer, because you put the year, the make and model of your vehicle, they may even have tail lights for your vehicle. So there's a lot of different things, but of course, me, I'm gonna hook you guys up 15% off FK8. Yes, FK8 will give you 15% off on anything you order there. 15% off. Just use promo code FK8. So let's go ahead and open the box of these Hawkglow LED light bulbs for the Honda Civic, mostly for the 10th gen, but I think other models may carry. This is the the H11 size bulbs, but like I said, you go on that website, type in all the goodies of the make and model, the year of your vehicle. It'll actually tell you the type of vehicle or type of light bulb that will go to your vehicle. But let's go ahead and open this box right now. All right, let's set the camera up right here. I think that's good enough. All right, so here's the box. Let's open it up. All right, let's see here. Gotta be very gentle. We don't want to mess it all up now. All right. It's like opening up the iPhone 17 here, right? Right? You know what I'm saying? No, I'm just messing with you guys. All right. See here. Let's wrap it. There it is. There it is, guys. All right, what do we got? What do we got? Let's take a quicker look in here. We got the manual, right? LED light user manual. Gives you little instructions, which we will do as well. So we don't need to read that, but check these out. The LED bulbs. All right, see, look, if you take a look real close, it is a 360 LED. Check that out. Pretty sick, right? Look at that. Damn. Okay, so in here as well, we got a fan system, because if you didn't know, LEDs do generate a lot of heat, so you need something to cool it down. So, you know, by doing that also will make it last longer. So let's install these on a Honda Civic and see the difference. But of course, here is their website. Check it out, check it out.
So on Hawkglow.com, I would say go to vehicle, choose your car, such as Honda. And once you click on Honda, you could look at the different things they actually have. So for this particular one that I am doing the video on is the $49.99 360 degree full illumination. And as you can see, check it out, $49.99. Not too bad, right? And of course, as you know, discount FK8, 15% off.
So we're gonna go ahead and install the bulbs on not those headlights, but these headlights. All right, so first we gotta pop the hood. Let's do that real quick.
So for the first step, you want to unclip the cable at the headlight and just kind of push it down, push it away. Next, you give it a little twist and a slight wiggle as well. And when you do that, bam, pops right on out. So now we open the box and of course the instructions, and bam, 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 there it is, our Hawkglow light bulb. As you can see the comparison, they're practically the same size. Now to put it back into the headlight housing, I recommend plugging it in first, so you make sure, you know, it's easier to plug in, and then you could stick it into the hole. And then once you're in that hole, of course, give it that little twist once it's in there, and it pretty much locks in place. Doing the other side, light bulb is practically the same way. Disconnect that cable, and then once you have that cable disconnected, twist it right there, and then give that slight wiggle. And once you wiggle it just the right amount, it will pop out. And the new one, the Hawkglow, same way. Plug it in first. Once you hear that click sound, you slowly and gently put it back in that hole. And once you're in that hole, you know, you give that little twist and it should be good. So if we look on the left, this is the OEM halogen light bulbs. And on the right, we got the new Hawkglow LED 360 light bulbs. So you can see that difference.
So, a couple things we need to know about these headlight bulbs is with these Hawkglow light bulbs that they actually give you 20 to 30% more efficiency, more lighting when you're driving, especially at night, to give you the more visual look all around in front of you. Now for LED bulbs, they actually are one of the type of bulbs that last for a very long time. And actually for these bulbs, they could last up to 50,000 hours of use, which is a very, very long time. And another positive things about LED bulbs is that it actually uses less electricity for your vehicle. So meaning there's more safety for your vehicle's electrical system and battery. So overall, with this improvement in lighting, especially when you're driving at night, I mean, why not upgrade your lights to LEDs if you haven't already? And remember, these are 360-degree LEDs where you get better range, not just the little flat type of bulbs, the normal LED style. So check these out because it's fall season. It's gonna get darker much earlier. So hey, it's all about that safety when you're making those runs, especially on the canyons. So don't forget, when you go on Hawkglow.com, make sure you use promo code FK8 because you will save 15% off. And that's not just the bulbs, that's anything on their website, from the taillights, other cool lighting. Just check out that website. I'm telling you, it's the shizzle for nizzle. So just check it out, use promo code FK8 and save a few bucks. Well, I thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. But for now, I'm Honda Pro. I'm just messing with you guys. Just keep smiling, be safe, and always stay driven. Peace.